Here now with Brandon Roach. He is the Business Development Manager for ORS Nasco. How you doing, Brandon?
Doing great, thank you.
And, what are some of the things that a welding and gas distributor would buy from Nasco?
Yeah, so, ORS, we're kind of a catch-all in some aspect. So about 30% of our business is welding, so we sell pretty much everything except the gas and machines. So all the consumable aspects, then everything that kind of bolts onto kind of the consumable portion. So torches, hand tools, power tools, you kind of name it. We kind of supply it all through that welding channel.
Yep, kind of the one-stop shop. That's what I was thinking too. All right, so everybody kind of knows who is ORS Nasco. What do you think would be one thing that some of these people in the room might not know about ORS Nasco that you could point out?
Yeah, absolutely. So really ORS, once you kind of get into an avenue, you kind of forget all the offerings that we have. So our kind of value proposition per se is just the fact of being able to diversify the distributor. And so you're just not pigeonholed into the welding supply houses. Yes, we're at GAWDA, which is all welding, but we give the opportunity for these distributors to kind of help and diversify out into maybe safety, janitorial, you name it, we have it. The 600 different brands really allows us to leverage our offering and our footprint. And so I think sometimes it maybe kind of gets forgotten about in some aspect, but for the most part, just don't forget that diversification side.
Very good. And looks like you brought some stuff along here to showcase with you. There's some distributors that couldn't make the trip to Philadelphia, so let's talk about some of the things that you brought, and you can kind of show them that are at home.
Yeah, absolutely. So kind of behind us here is just a quick snapshot of just kind of a little bit of our private label offering. So of course we got the abrasives, the stringer beads, welding blankets, and then the tools and chip brushes and whatnot. But this is just a very brief kind of snapshot of our private label category and that offering that we have through our Best Welds and Anchor branded categories specifically. We continue to kind of build this out and develop it out, adding new products to our portfolio, all through private label. So you get the continued quality at the right competitive price point. And then here we just kind of displaying some of our kind of call it OEM kind of manufacturers. So 3M, Jackson Safety, huge partners for us here at ORS, and help kind of leverage that. So again, it's a little tougher for us, just the breadth of products that we do offer. But it's just kind of a quick little snapshot rather that is targeted and focused through the welding channel. And everything from our private label brand all the way through kind of the name branded products throughout the industry.
All right, very good. That's a little bit of a word from Nasco, and thank you for everything that you do for us over the course of the year, and happy to see you here in Philadelphia. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dale.
All right.